So, I'm Joblin Santos Bagos. I'm 5'9", voice to Fuma, Bay, Oregon, the Teneric. So, I live here at Barangay 22, Zone 2, Caloocan City. When you see Ambassador Funeral City, Caloocan, you will just go down in front of TJ Bagos Furniture Shower, Big Green Gate, Bagos Compound. My motorbike is on the way, Valentine Blue, Black or French, but my favorite color is color blue, like play 30 shirt, 75 Now, it's 826 NCL. Wala akong live sa IG and sa FB. I don't have a WhatsApp. I don't have a TikTok. I don't have a Viber. I don't have a Twitch. My IG name, Santos_Bagos, 10/781, first start ng big, the rest small letters, and IG username, all small letters, Santos_Bagos, 10/781, all small letters, IG name, puro start ng big, the rest small letters, IG username, all small letters, and then my password, Joblin Santos Bagos, 10/781, first start ng big, the rest small letters, plus 69167355250424, following sa IG ko. I'm not interested to naman. My only color is color blue. So, as you can see, ito na yung, di ba sabi ko sa inyo before, sa house mechanism, kapag inon mo yung sa, during sa earthquake. So, makikita mo yung leveling nun, yung mechanism nung, this definitely, kapag may earthquake, yung mechanism na ilalagay na foundation is every time na mag-shake, to lower the intensity, mag-move siya. Pag nag-shake, yung foundation is maglo-lower because of the mechanism of the pull. Nag-shake sa ilalim, na yung way nung paglindol is sa iba, pag ganon, di ba? Ito, mag-shake lang siya. So, maglo-lower yung intensity sa bahay, yung crack sa bahay, and hindi siya magpo-full ng pagganon because of the mechanism sa ilalim. So, i-on mo lang siya. Tapos, may semento dito. O-on mo lang siya during the earthquake. So, parang pagsasamahin mo yung sa mechanical and civil engineer. So, during the earthquake processes, it will lower the intensity at home, mawawala, hindi siya magka-crack during the, no? So, yung level ng intensity during home, pag inon mo yon, magsasway lang siya, sasabay lang siya, yung foundation mo is still built sa inside niya because of the mechanism sa ibaba, doon sa bahay. So, yun, naintindihan nyo?